Hello everyone, I am Lokesh and welcome back to the channel. So friends, this video is related to HCL Tech Wipro EY current hiring onboarding queries, and these queries are asked by so many candidates on Instagram as well as on the comment section. So let's start the video. Okay, there are so many good hirings on our channel, so please apply for the opportunity. These all hirings are for all of you. Okay. So one of the most important point, candidates are facing some problems when they are applying to the HCL Tech hiring. So there are some of the important points, like if you already applied for the first hiring, okay, and they even not mention there is a 3 month or 6 month cooling period, but when you are applying for the second time, so there is some error. Okay, so you have to know about when you apply for the first hiring. Okay, if you are applying for the first time hiring, there is no problem, no error, you can simply apply for the opportunity. कूलिंग पीरियड का मेंशन नहीं कर रखा है, बट आपको अगर कोई एरर आ रही है सो वेट फॉर सम टाइम एंड आफ्टर अप्लाइंग फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटी, बिकॉज ये जो HCL टेक पोर्टल है ये थोड़े टाइम तक अभी ओपन रहेगा. ओके, सो ये बात आपको ध्यान रखनी है. And the second important point, if you not receive the EY exam mail, is there any resume based process or something else? So the EY exam also focus on some resume based process, but they are sending the exam mail in the form of phases, because the exam date is decided by EY team and they will share if there is the मतलब जो आपकी प्रोफाइल है या आपने जिस टाइप से अपनी प्रोफाइल फिल की है वो उनकी रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग है. ओके, सो दे विल श्योरली सेंड यू द मेल दैट इज रिलेटेड टू हायरिंग. ओके, so if you are waiting for the EY HCL Tech hiring, so most probably HCL Tech में आपको बता ही दिया था कल रात को कि EY टीम मतलब जो HCL Tech टीम है वो बहुत सारी प्रोफाइल की बेसिस पे आपको यहाँ पर नेक्स्ट मेल भेजेगी और आपको कांटेक्ट करेगी. अगर प्रोफाइल सूटेबल रहती है तो नेक्स्ट मेल आएगा. And what about the cooling period? Most probably some MNCs consider, like most MNCs consider 6 month cooling period and some MNCs consider 3 month cooling period. So आपको यहाँ पर ध्यान रखना है. And is this official hiring for the 23 batch, like for the 23-22 HCL Tech? Yes, because they are providing so many technical role, domain role and some other type of roles. Okay, so this is the official hiring and they are providing 4 to 5 lakh per annum package. And they will share all the details related to the roles, like you have to work on software developer and technical part or other roles. Okay, the Wipro clarification is for elite or not. Okay, so they are not sending for elite, they are sending for the WILP candidate, but most probably in the upcoming time they will also share for the elite candidates also, if they want like some clarification related to your document process or the BGV process. Okay, so if you received any type of mail related to Wipro कि आपको आपके डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट करने BGV से रिलेटेड प्रोसेस है, तो आप इसको as soon as possible कंप्लीट कर लीजिएगा. ओके, सो आई होप दिस वीडियो इज यूजफुल फॉर एवरीवन. इफ you have any doubt, let me know that in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.